Hello. I told you I'd bring you back when I decide on when I'm going to make bread with the red wheat berries that I grinded up. So, trying to, how am I going to explain this? For viewers who haven't watched my other videos, about 3 years ago, I planted wheat to put nutrition back into my soil in my garden, in my tiny garden. And I harvested, dried it, and grinded it up with a cast iron grinder, and took 3 days. And what I got out of the 2 quarts, I filled this up, 2 of these, about 2 of these. And it comes to, there's 4 cups in here in this bowl. 4 cups and almost 5 cups, okay? So I'm going to make bread, and however much flour that I need for 8 cups, if I need 8 cups, I'll just use, regular flour, and I think it'll be okay. I'm pretty sure it will be. So you use 1 package or a 1/4 ounce of active dry yeast, okay? And 2 cups of warm water, 1 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of butter or margarine. I used real butter, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 2 eggs beaten. It's all right here, okay? And now I'm going to start putting in the flour. It says in a mixing bowl, dissolve yeast in warm water, add the sugar, butter, salt, eggs, and 4 cups of flour, which is this whole bowl, okay? And then you're supposed to beat it until smooth, okay? Stir in enough remaining flour to form a soft dough, okay? So I don't know if I'm going to use my mixer or not. I'm not sure if I'm going to, or I'll just stir it up myself, okay? I never did that before. Used a mixer on my bread, so I never have. I always use my hands. So here's 1 cup. About 2 cups, and I'm going to mix that in. And you probably can't see it. I have to get way away from ya. Hope everybody had a good weekend. You see it? I haven't made bread in over 30 years. It's been a long time. I used to make bread all the time. All right, add some more. And when this needs to rise, I will pause you guys until it is risen. It's getting thicker. See? I'm going to go ahead and add the rest. So that's 4 cups. And it says, beat until smooth. Stir in enough flour to form a soft dough. Turn onto a flour surface. Knead until smooth and elastic, about 6 to 8 minutes, and place in a greased bowl, turning once to grease top. Cover and let rise in a warm place until doubled, about an hour. To me, it's more grittier than normal white flour. I have never made my own flour before. I've never done this before. So that's 5 cups. I just stuck in there, almost 5. Get my flour out. I did some research, and it's okay to use regular white flour with the wheat berry flour. A lot of people do it anyway because this bread is so dense. Okay? There we go. Now I might have to use my hands. Smells good. Let's see. I'm going to use my hands. I'm not going to fill it up with a full cup. Take my Band-Aid off. I cut myself with a pair of scissors this morning. Hurts. All right. Here we go. I take my ring off too. Want to try to get that consistency going. Can't see it, I know. I'm not far away from you. Heavy. It's a very heavy bread dough. Bread dough. Very heavy. I want to turn, there we go, turn it upside down. I got a lot of flour on the bottom of this. I think I know what I'm going to do here. Take it out. It's a weird texture. I'm not used to this. Not like I make bread all the time, but it just feels differently to me. It might need more flour. It's starting to act up better. Man, you can't see it. Jeez. Here, let me get you farther away from me. Here we go. There. This makes 3 loaves. I hope it's good for 3 loaves. Good Lord. Okay, I think I'm going to get some more flour. Fold it in here. Yeah, that's good. I don't need any more flour. So I used about, I already had 4 cups of the wheat flour and about almost 2 cups, maybe 2 cups of the white flour, and that's it, because I can tell how it's getting. So I don't want to get it too stiff here. Okay, so stir enough remaining flour to form a soft dough till smooth and elastic. Well, it's elastic. Let's move this flour out of the way. I don't want any more flour. It's not a smooth ball though. There we go. It's getting smoother. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, get some olive oil. Man, this is ginormous. This is just, I made 2 loaves at one time, but not 3. So, I don't know how smooth this is, but man, it was hard to handle. I'm telling you. Lord. Put some more on top. Okay, there it is. I'll put you on hold. 1 hour. Oh, man. Place in a grease bowl, turning once to grease the top. Cover and let rise in a warm place until doubled. About an hour. All right, wash my hands here. and I'll get right back with you in one more hour.